Foshan Schwen de SAIER Sensor Company Limited is a professional, high-tech manufacturer for displacement-type sensor development and production. The company was founded in 2011, with more than 13 years of experience in displacement-type sensor research and development and manufacturing. Main product: cylinder switch, photoelectric sensor, inductive proximity switch, reed sensor proximity switch. Mainly used in industrial automation, cylinder, air conditioning, construction machinery, and other industries and equipment. The company has a production area of 2,508 square meters and an office area of 400 square meters. It has more than 100 employees and a technology research and development team of more than 20 people. Owns more than 300 sets of molds, complete categories and styles. Production testing equipment more than 100 sets. Assembly lines 5. The monthly output of 2 million. According to the ISO 9001 system management, the product certification is complete. Sold to more than 40 countries and regions around the world. And domestic and foreign famous brands have cooperation. Products 100% full inspection. Cumulative sales of more than 100 million magnetic sensors. Product quality has been fully recognized and verified by the market and customers. Has applied for more than 60 national invention patents. We have a large stock of regular products in stock. We are good at the research and development of displacement type sensor and customization. Can accept ODM, OEM. Welcome to communicate and cooperation.